Time. The first time is not something which I remember, and the people here are very friendly, and the food is really tasty, because the last time I came I remember everything being very sore, but this time it is good and I really love the food which they are providing.
Yeah, so this is my first time visiting Kashmir, and overall I really love this place. The people are very sweet and very kind, they're very helpful people. The food is really good, so yes, I would just like to say people back at home that this is a must visit place and you have to visit this place.
Yeah, this is my first time too in Kashmir, and I didn't expect it to be this cold. So I didn't carry much jackets actually, and it's pretty cold over here. But I think overall the scenery and the people over here, it's really amazing and a very nice experience for me to meet all of them and learn more about this state.
So yeah, this is my second time visiting Kashmir, and on the first day of my reach on Srinagar, I have visited Dal Lake. It was really pretty. It was so calming. It felt like I reconnected with the nature after a long time, and every single day I wake up in Kashmir or in Srinagar, I just feel connected with the nature, which is really hard to get in a city life. I love everything about Srinagar, so I would tell everyone who is watching here to definitely visit Srinagar.
And after the nationals we have planned a 2-day trip to explore Jammu and Kashmir, and we're really excited for
That's
that.
what I was about to ask you. Besides your tournament is going on,
Yes.
what are your plans?
We have planned for Gulmarg, Pahalgam and Sonmarg.
Okay, I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers to you also.
Yeah, myself, Sanjita, I'm representing Karnataka to this 22nd National Championship of Softball Tennis, and it's been a really great opportunity for me to participate in this tournament as it's my first time. I think the organization is pretty good, and the organizers have really tried their best to keep the tournament runs.
मेरा नाम जेनिफर चाको है और मैं कर्नाटका से हूँ. मैं 22nd सीनियर नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप सॉफ्ट टेनिस के लिए कश्मीर में आई हूँ. ये मेरा पहला सॉफ्ट टेनिस टूर्नामेंट है और ओवरऑल इज़ गोइंग रियली वेल. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर माई मैचेस. और यहाँ जो हमारा जो फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड किए हैं, हमारा स्टे, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड फूड, वो बहुत अच्छा है. दे हैव डन इट रियली वेल. एंड yes, we have lost in pre-quarters and quarters. So I hope we win our next matches. So all the best to our team, and we want to get a medal for our state.
Yeah.
All the Kashmir people are very friendly, and like they treat us really good, and I really love that. The atmosphere is awesome, and it's very windy and cold. I would like everybody to come here and enjoy.
Myself, Dharni Danyata. I'm from Karnataka, and I'm here for my 22nd Senior National Championship of Soft Tennis. And this venue and this tournament is organized very well and also planned very good, and it is going on really good. So coming to the hospitality, they've provided us bus facilities and also food, and also amazing stays where they have provided all the basic necessities for us, and it is also very secure for us to come here. Yes, I would love to come here again, and I would love to participate every tournament which is held in Kashmir. So this is a wonderful opportunity you can get, and to participate in soft tennis, and also a wonderful place to join in and play many more tournaments here. So this will make you get stronger for the next tournament. Also many more motivations to get stronger, to get more motivated, and to get more happy with the tournament or with the organization.
Thank you.